Assalamu alaikum. So dividing fractions, again, main thing to remember is K, C, F. If you remember this, you'll never forget it. What do? So when I'm dividing, I actually need to convert it over. So I keep the first fraction as it is, so that stays as 2/3. I change, that's how I put the C, change the division into a times, and I flip the last fraction over so that can become 11/8. So now I just times them. So 2 times 11 is 22, and 3 times 8 is 24, and I know that I can half both of these, so the answer will be 11/12. Same again, so I keep the 1/4 as it is, I change the division to a times, and I flip the second fraction so it becomes 7/6. So 1 times 7 is 7, 4 times 6 is 24. Same again, if I've got a whole number and I'm dividing by a fraction, I can make that whole number into a fraction as simple as that. Anything divided by 1 is itself. So the first fraction is going to stay as it is, 5/1. I can change the division into times, and I can flip the second fraction over so it becomes 4/3. 5 times 4 is 20, 1 times 3 is 3, and I can leave it as that, or I can change it to a mixed number. 3 goes into 26 times with 2 out of 3 remaining. And then same here, same principle as we did with the multiplying. We change it over first. So we want to convert it into top heavy. So 1 times 7, so remember, the big number times by the bottom number, and then you add the top number. So 1 times 7 is 7, 7 add 4 equals 11. So it's 11/7 divided by 1 times 4 is 4, add 1 is 5, so 5/4. And then if I go underneath, I keep that as it is, so 11/7 can stay the same. I change the division into times, and I can flip the second fraction over. 11 times 4 is 44, and 7 times 5 is 35. And I can simplify that more if I want to into a mixed number. 35 goes into 44 once, and then you've got 9 remaining out of 35, and I can't simplify that anymore.